Hi, this is a GrovePi board attached to a Raspberry Pi, and it has several digital and analog ports. This is an LCD display screen that can be easily connected to the Pi. This is done with the help of a cable as shown. This is a temperature and humidity or DHT sensor, and it can be adjusted as per requirements. This is the AC power cable that is used to turn on the Raspberry Pi. Insert one end of the cable into the micro USB port of the Raspberry Pi. Now locate port I2C1 on the GrovePi and carefully insert the LCD display into this port. Next, locate port D2 on the GrovePi and insert the DHT sensor into that port. Once this is done, you can plug in the AC power cable to turn on the Raspberry Pi. Once you have started the Raspberry Pi, click on the scratch icon. On the first prompt, make sure that you have selected GrovePi and then go on to click Start Programming. After this, in the Scratch controller, you will be able to see GrovePi Scratch connected to Scratch successfully. Coming back to the Scratch interface, now select Control and then drag and drop when green flag clicked. After this, drag and drop Broadcast. Now select Operators and drag and drop Join. Change the parameters to Temp and 2. Drag and drop this in Broadcast. This is used to access the DHT sensor at port D2. Now select Looks and drag and drop Say Hello below Broadcast. This will make the yellow fox start speaking. Now select Sensing and drag and drop Slider Sensor Value. You can choose the slider to have temperature, distance, etc. Drag and drop this in Say and select Distance. When you now click on the block, the yellow fox will say 0. Now change distance to temp and click on the block again. The fox will show the current temperature values obtained from the DHT sensor every time that you click this. You can also see this in the controller. After this, drag and drop everything after broadcast lower in the interface. Now select Control and drag and drop Forever. This will make it run repeatedly like a loop. Next, drag and drop Broadcast. Now select Operators and drag and drop Join in Broadcast. Change the first parameter to LCD and now drag and drop another join after this. Edit the parameters to TXT and Hello World. This will make the LCD display the text Hello World. Now drag and drop this in Forever. On clicking the block, we can see that the LCD displays Hello World. We can also see this in the controller. Now, we can combine these two sections to make the LCD display the temperature. Currently, one section reads the temperature and one displays text. We are going to put the temperature value section first, then wait for 2 seconds in between as two sensors LCD and DHT cannot run at the same time. In order to do this, we drag out broadcast text and we drag in broadcast temperature to forever. Then select Control and drag and drop wait 1 second and edit it to say 2 seconds. This is done so that both the sensors aren't running at the exact same time. We will now drag another broadcast, select operators and drag join, edit the first parameter to say LCD and drag another join. Here we can edit the parameters to TXT and current temperature is. Drag this after the wait. Select Control and drag wait 1 second. Then drag the earlier section below this. Now, select Sensing and drag slider sensor value and edit the slider to temperature. We are now ready. Click on the block and you will see the temperature on the LCD. You can also see this in the controller. To stop everything, you can simply click the red button on the corner of the screen.